That magical appliance promising crispy, guilt-free indulgences and healthier versions of your favorite fried treats. But with the market overflowing, choosing the right one can feel like navigating a minefield of hot air and empty promises. Fear not, fellow foodies. I've embarked on a deep fry-free crusade, testing and tasting my way through the top 5 air fryers of 2024, ready to share my honest crispy-coated experience. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-quart Air Fryer. This mighty machine is the perfect entry point for air fryer newbies. Its intuitive controls, spacious 6-quart basket, and pre-programmed settings make it a breeze to whip up everything from golden fries to juicy wings. While the plastic exterior feels a tad flimsy, the consistent cooking performance and easy cleanup, it's dishwasher safe, win major points. Verdict: a user-friendly champion for everyday air frying adventures. Number 2. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. Buckle up for the air fryer on steroids. This countertop behemoth boasts toaster oven, dehydrator, and air fryer capabilities in one, making it a culinary Swiss Army knife. The sleek design, intuitive touchscreen, and smart features like preheating and Element IQ, which adjusts cooking for even results, are pure kitchen magic. However, its hefty price tag and learning curve might intimidate casual users. Verdict: a luxurious all-in-one powerhouse for serious home chefs. Number 3. Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook. This air fryer is all about transparency, literally. Its see-through window lets you monitor your food's progress without stopping the cooking process, a game-changer for perfectionists like yours truly. The 6-quart capacity and pre-programmed settings are familiarly user-friendly, while the built-in odor absorber tackles those pesky fryer smells. But the plastic construction and slightly uneven cooking at times left me wanting a bit more. Verdict: a visually captivating option for those who like to keep an eye on their culinary creations. Number 4. Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer. This compact air fryer is a countertop cutie with a surprising punch. Its 3.5-quart basket might be small, but it delivers crispy fries and juicy wings with ease. The simple dial controls and non-stick basket are perfect for fuss-free air frying, while the sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of kitchen cool. However, the lack of pre-programmed settings and smaller capacity might limit its versatility. Verdict: a no-frills charmer for solo snackers or minimalist kitchens. Number 5. Cosori Dual Blaze Smart Air Fryer. This air fryer is a double-duty dynamo, boasting 2 independent baskets for simultaneous cooking. Imagine crispy fries in one basket and roasted veggies in the other. Mealtime just got a whole lot more efficient. The smart app control and pre-programmed settings add to the convenience, while the sleek design and generous capacity make it a worthy contender for family kitchens. However, the app can be buggy at times, and the price tag might be a bit steep for some. Verdict: a multitasking marvel for busy families and those who love to cook and eat in abundance. The verdict: choosing the best air fryer depends on your needs and budget. The Instant Vortex Plus is a user-friendly champion. The Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is a luxurious all-in-one powerhouse. The Instant Pot Vortex Plus Clear Cook is for the visually inclined. The Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer is a compact charmer, and the Cosori Dual Blaze Smart Air Fryer is a double-duty dynamo. Ultimately, the perfect air fryer is the one that gets you excited to cook and savor healthy, crispy delights. So, grab your apron, preheat your air fryer, and get ready to embark on your own delicious crispy crusade.